Hi guys, this is Anya with Elemental Therapy. Today I would like to share with you a morning yoga routine that will help you to start your day right. It will help you to bring the awareness of your consciousness of yourself into your physical body, connect to your physical body, so during the day you will move gracefully and with ease. You won't have any accidents, you won't pull your back, or you won't have any pains. And so this is how it goes. Start in your back, just relax, stop your mind, and just stare at the sky for about 10 seconds. And take a big breath and bring your awareness into your body, into your lower body. Breathe into your lower body, into your toes, into your arms. Now we're gonna start with warming up pelvis. We're gonna bring it up and inhale into our belly. Make it big and full of air, creating more space into your belly. This helps to move all the waste and bring circulation here. Also, it brings more energy into your low dantian, the very base of your energy, basic energy. You can push your pelvis a little bit forward, arching your back, and wiggle and wake up your lower body. And slowly descend. Straighten your legs, and now we're going to do the same thing with the chest. We're going to go into fish and just inhale and arch the back. And open up the chest, wake up the chest, wake up the lungs and heart, creating more space in your upper body. And now we're going to wake up our neck. Just stretch it a little bit, rotate it a little bit, and let's do some neck thrusts. This activates the circulation in the neck and improves flexibility. And stretch. If you can here, you can go to a preliminary back stretch pose, which is plow position. If you can, do it not too deep, just bring yourself in the plow. This helps to open up the entire back. And in the morning, when your spine is still not very warmed up, just do it very easy, very gentle. You can rotate your pelvis, rotate your hips, warming up your lower back again. And then come back and rest. And now we're gonna flip into the dog position. So here we can go into the downward dog. You see, it's a very basic yoga, but it makes a huge difference again. Stretching your calf muscles and doing thrusts up. Try to touch your nose with your knee. Warming up the hips with little circles. And then up. Stretch. Suck your belly in. And then gently brush your leg in front of you into the pigeon. Oh, this is such a delicious stretch. The IT band, hips again. And gently lie down, wiggle, waking up your body. Move this way. And then if you can grab your leg here and stretch the hamstrings. Go into lock, rotate the torso, inhale. And then switch the positions, the opposite rotation. Big inhale into your chest, opening up that lungs, creating more space into your body for energy to flow and melt into this position slowly and gently. And now lower the leg and then swift this leg into the twist, in the opposite twist. Grab with the opposite hand and then go in the twist again. And then the opposite twist. All right, let's go back. Let's go back to the dog, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Suck your belly in when you're in the dog. Thrusts. Swish, rotating the hips, gently waking them up. Pressing your leg on the foot, giving yourself a little massage here. Lower yourself gently. And then if you can, grab the leg. Inhale. And do the same thing on the other side. And then go into the rotation again. On this side now. You can use resistance therapy here when you press your leg against your body and you resist it at the same time. It activates the entire hip. It releases fascia, the connective tissue, and just creates a deeper stretch. Inhale deeply every time when you're in the twists, because then you really affect the internal organs with your, it's like massaging your internal organs with your breath. And then gently release. And now you can go into the camel. Sit. Again, pressing the pressure points right in the middle of your feet. These muscles get really tight if you walk around a lot, so it's like you're massaging them, preparing them for your day, waking them up, your feet. And then grab your heels from inside and just go into the camel. And if you can lie down and use gravity as your chiropractor to adjust your sacral bones and lower back. Let him just fall down and relax. You can do a couple of push-ups to activate your shoulders and your arm muscles. You hold. And let's go to the cobra. And into the wheel. Cobra in the wheel really ensures really good posture during the day, so you don't collapse. So here, just press pelvis down to the earth, activating using the muscles of your buttocks. This will adjust your lower back. If your lower back is a little bit off, if you have low back pain, this is a really wonderful way to re-establish the good correct connection between the bones here. You can wiggle a little bit, warming up the lower back, and we can go, actually let's lie down. I'm gonna stretch the shoulder muscles. Here you lie down and you stretch your arm and then twist your body. This opens up the whole chest so you can breathe better. You can press against the earth to activate the pectoralis muscles, opening up the chest. Okay, here we go. And now we can go to into the child position and just rest. Okay, and I like to always finish with the plow position just because it's the entire stretch of the spine from the atlas to the coccyx, right? So let's engage the spine one more time, and this time we're gonna go a little bit deeper and really breathe into the spine, especially the lower back, but also the neck. Direct your attention, the breath, to your Muladhara chakra, the base chakra. Here we're placing the goddess, the consciousness of the body, above our mind. So it quiets your mind and brings all attention to your body. Engage your hamstrings. You can tighten your hamstrings. Maybe go to the Mula Bandha. And gently lower it down. And stretch. Oh, goddess, yes. And stretch. And this was activation of the entire body. If you decide to do this routine, you will feel how your body begins to buzz. Only about after 10 minutes or after this very short routine, it begins to buzz because all the energy starts to just pump through your body. So to finish this exercise, you can kind of imagine the universal energy just pumping through your body, flushing whatever you need to get rid of and filling you with a new beautiful energy, healing you at every moment. And also, of course, connect to with your root chakra, connect to the center of the earth and root yourself so you feel stable, secure, and invincible. Thank you for watching. Namaste. I hope it will help you to have a better day. Enjoy.